there, this is Iftre Gel 5. Yeah, and I'm making a video on my IMVU homepage. And as you can see, it's customized for Claire. So the old, old headers was not like this, but I discovered, I discovered how to edit them. So it's yeah, also customized. So it's yeah, a long message for Claire. It's a yearly tradition for me, and her birthday will come on the 28th, December 28th. And so I decided to take a video on this creation. Kasi sayang naman kasi, di ba? Need natin ng remembrance of making this one. So I made this um, homepage after namin magkita sa CDO kasi pumunta siya dito sa Mindanao to meet us friends. Yeah. Okay, so nagvo-voice over naman tayo now. Let me just read everything here and explain what's in here. So the usual me will just put long message for a person, um, to your friend or anyone who is special. Okay, so let's start to the birthday greeting. Ang birthday greeting muna tayo kasi medyo mahaba-haba ito. So, we had a marquee here with a warning, long message ahead. So, it's currently 12 a.m. and it's already Saturday and it's December 20 and 8 days before her birthday. Putik. Don't know how I sound tonight, but let's start. Okay, so for my appreciation post for Claire, good morning night to all the people who check this homepage who get curious love. I'll assume that you came here to read my long message. This is my second time making a dedicated homepage for Claire. The first one is for her 22nd birthday, which I made on my other IMVU account named Capli Caplibrius. It's still there, so you can still check it out. I'm making this to show my appreciation for this wonderful individual. Char. Okay, fun fact, hindi ako nakagawa sa kanya ng 23rd. I don't know why, but yeah, for some reasons I did not. So let's go. Um, and for the second time, I'll be giving a speech. I don't know how many times I made a long message for Claire. Love language ko kasi yun. Ha 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 ha. And I hope di pa siya nagsasawa sa mga paganto ko. Yeah. I met Claire way back 2020 June or July. I don't know what day exactly. Before we continue the backstory, I know you might wonder why I add this on everything, but yeah, side topics are a must. Char. Okay, funny cause she met me as a male avatar on IMVU and told me that she had a crush on me. Alang, yeah. Yeah, yeah. I talked to Claire using Iftre. So yeah, that happened. So last year ko lang nalaman to swear. Yeah, last year. So it's just 2024. Yeah, I knew this on a call with a friend. I know. But eventually disappointed because I was straight girl. Yeah. Sorry na, Claire. We just laugh it off now. Fast forward 2024. She planned on meeting us. After 4 years of friendship, I can finally meet her. This was planned for a long time. It all happened. I met them again, which is Marvin and Shane, and we became roommates for 2 nights. Um, the meetup was so funny. Ano niya, pinakilala niya lang naman ako kila Kuya Proy and Ate Lian. Shoutout po sa inyo. Nakwento pa ni Claire na yung first impression ko kay Ate Lian is maldita and intimidating, which made me so shy. I was really planning on taking a video for action pero I ended up jumping on excitement. Yeah, wala kaming documentary for that, but yeah, it's just engraved in our minds. Never forget the. We were just laughing and just being happy. But no hugs happened since Claire don't want to be hugged. Yeah, um, very clingy friend, but can't be touched. That's the rule. Ate Lian is really friendly. In fact, she invited me on the dinner. On the dinner, ah, it was very random and it was very fun. Okay. It's surprising because we are just naturally comfortable with each other. It's like we've been friends real for a long time. I mean, physically, it never felt awkward and lol. It's my first time sleeping with someone I knew online. And the height difference is real. Ano niya, super tangkad niya. Hindi pala super. Super, ano ko lang, super pandak. She's been asking for lumpia for months, years, because I randomly sent lumpia pictures to her, which she always say, ngayo ko, Bisaya word for give me some, for which I made for her. I accidentally cut my finger, but I don't mind because she like it. Yee! And they're asking me to make it again for the second time. Um, I introduced her palapa, a Muslim side dish which is made from sibujing, a variant of a lick, um, ginger and chilies, and of course seasonings, and then smashed into paste like texture. Ano daw, gusto yun na yun. Disassemble the pater, pastil in Tagalog, minus the banana leaf for her. She really liked it and tell her mom about it. But iniwan niya sa ref nung pinagstayan nila. Ayun tuloy na pagalitan siya. But, I guess, the second time na magkita kami, I'll make sure na mabibit-bit niya talaga yun sa mami niya because, yeah, napagalitan talaga siya. Anyway, so one thing about us is that we have a lot of things in our mind. The inside joke we have is that we could talk 3 to 5 topics at the same time, and it will end up not finishing the other topics. We do have a lot of plans, but we only have limited time, and of course, forgot because our attention span is so little. Oh my, it's the physical form of our chat. It is what it is, and I really had so much fun with her, y'all. Shout out, shout out, roommate, and we shall meet again on July 19th, which never happened. So let's stop this video because 10 minutes lang yung limit ng body count. And let's go to the part 2.